How to fix freshly meal order not delivered. Here, the very first thing you want to do is locate the courier tracking. You can actually try to check your email for shipment notification containing the carrier tracking link, and then you can try to locate the courier tracking, right? So after doing that, secondly, verify your delivery location, confirm that your building access or the delivery instructions were clearly noted under the account settings, and so that the deliver man wouldn't actually be confused about any of your location errors. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then try to call the assigned delivery service with your tracking number for real-time location, and I'm pretty sure they will be able to help you out. If not, you can try to access the Freshly Help Center and initiate a live chat, and also report a non-delivery to get the refund or reshipment process. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix your freshly meal order like that.